Alright guys, we're going to take a look at some tool deals here today. I'm over here at CPOoutlets.com. I just went to their website. You can go look at power tools and then select. Over here you see on promotion or on sale, so I just selected those. And the first two that you see are Dewalt products, and these are both on a promotion where you buy these and you get a free Dewalt 20-volt max Powerstack starter kit. Powerstack are their new batteries, or new lithium pouch technology that's supposed to be more powerful than the previous ones that DeWalt used, or I guess anybody used is probably what they're saying. So there is a DeWalt DCS 377B 20-volt max atomic brushless lithium-ion 1 3/4 inch cordless compact bandsaw. Then you get the Powerstack battery and charger. That's the same for the DeWalt DCD709B Atomic 20-volt max lithium-ion brushless compact half-inch cordless hammer drill. Now, I am a little bit curious. Let me kind of compare what this DeWalt costs here and what it costs at Home Depot real quick, just to see a price difference. So this one is showing here at $149. And here we have Atomic 20-volt max brushless cordless compact half-inch hammer drill tool only with Powerstack compact battery kit. So Home Depot is doing the same thing. This is a hammer drill, so it looks like it is the exact same. So this is a little bit cheaper than Home Depot on this particular deal, which is kind of interesting. Down here we have a Makita BL1840 BDC1 18-volt LXT 4 amp-hour lithium-ion compact battery and rapid charger, and it says you get a free Makita Bare Tool kit. So first, let me check this. We're going to check the price of this too and kind of compare, just to make sure we're not getting a pumped-up price for the battery and charger. We could do the same thing, do it at Home Depot just to kind of double-check here. Same thing, and Home Depot is doing the exact same thing too. So let's make sure they're doing the exact same tools as well. So you can choose from the sander, random orbit sander, cordless blower, looks like the shop blower style. We have cordless inflator, LED flashlight spotlight, cordless variable speed lightweight compact reciprocating saw. We have a multi-tool. It looks like none of these are brushless, unless I'm missing something here. And 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless grass shear with hedge trimmer. So, not the coolest selection. Let's see what the other place has here at CPO Outlets. I think we have to add it to the cart first. Let me add it to the cart. So far it's the same thing. Nothing different. I guess it's just an across-the-board thing. Okay, so they're the same thing, so that's not very exciting. I guess it's kind of nice getting the free tool, but I'm not really fired up about any of these tools. Maybe the sander. I've heard the sander's pretty good, but I don't know. So that's another thing that's going on here at CPO.